Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a Cars Subscribers video. So we're at MCM once again. This time with the S3. So if you're ever wondering how a car sounds without a blow-off valve, I'm gonna figure that out for you today. Because we're gonna remove this. Do a little before and after sound. Now a lot of people say it's bad for your turbo to remove the blow-off valve, and it might be a little bit bad for the turbo, but I'm just gonna do it so you guys can see and hear how it sounds. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna take this off, put a screw in it, so it's closed airtight. And for this we're gonna do the same. Take this out, find something that fits in here, and then just clamp it down. And that's it. We got a little weight reduction, so that's always good. That's it. I found some plastic piece I just put in here. Put a screw in here or a bolt, tighten that. I'm gonna tie wrap that so it doesn't go like this, and then we can drive. So let's fill her up and see what it does.